John.
She goes out now. This is over.
Yeah, move.
Out.
Katie, I'm not putting you outside like Mom said. Get over.
No, put Maddie outside.
Lay down.
John.
No, Mom, just
We're done.
stay out of it.
Because
Stay
you know
out of
what?
it.
No one else is cleaning this up. I'll be the one.
No, you're
cleaning
not.
it all up.
We already have to clean it anyway, so what does it matter now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all of y'all be quiet, or you can all